व्यू बहुत कमाल है। नमस्ते, स्वागत है आपका एक और वीडियो में। इस वीडियो में हम जाएंगे मेरी सिस्टर इन लॉ के होम टाउन और बाद में हम जाएंगे मसूरी। So hope you enjoy this vlog and subscribe for more. So we saw this restaurant called Dehradun on the highway and we thought, why not try it out? So here we are.
Look, mummy. Say cheese.
That was fun.
The next day.
So we left my sister-in-law's place and now we've come to Dehradun, which is one of the largest cities in India, and it's one of the most incredible places for tourists to visit. So we're here to see Mussoorie. And this is us. Hi. Welcome back to another video. Just taking a quick tour of the house with the three musketeers. The three musketeers, eh? They're always with me, 24/7.
You खराब होगी थी.
Alrighty. Sunny today and it's hot. So that's the view from inside. You've got nice eyes. The road is perfect here.
It's like most of the people try this. They ride here on motorcycles.
Yeah.
They used to ride here.
Look at the view. Gosh, it's so pretty. Yeah. So this is where we're gonna have breakfast. Oh, it's a beautiful view from up here. It's a beautiful view from up here.
You see what you can.
But I bet the view from higher up is much better than where we are at the moment.
कितने? 60 कैश पड़ा? ये करो थोड़ा झुक जाओ.
Where are we going?
Dalai Hills.
Dalai Hills.
The amount of light is
So we're in Mussoorie now, and we're just heading. I'm running out of breath. Heading up to the top there. चलो
When I can see a statue up there. I can see Pura up there. Lucky. Lucky I wore the right outfit for this. Huh? Unlike you guys.
Okay.
Look at all these flags. All of the flags got something written on there. Huh? Oh, it's alright. Oh, we've got Buddha sitting right at the top of Mussoorie.
Hard for you, but I won't rush this love.
So this is the top of... Is this the top of Mussoorie?
You don't know?
Kind of. Feels like the
We
top
can go to this
place.
place. From there we can see the China.
Yeah. Looks like a temple.
That is Mussoorie International School.
Which one?
This one.
This one? Here. Reels going on over there. So we're just clicking some photos at the moment. Yeah.
So you're gonna have to show it down.
But yeah, I like the photos that you took. There's one thing you need to do when you come to Mussoorie. As soon as you get here, just take as much photos as you can. Ooh, the view is pretty from here. Look at that view. Oh. So this is the top of Mussoorie. So if you do come here, don't forget to click some photos because you don't want to miss the view. Trying to pick which photos to take. Wait, why delete? I'm sure I look good in every photo. How many photos are we getting?
Like 4 to 5.
4 to 5. Different poses.
Many. But
Yeah.
I select 4 best.
Okay. Alright, so this is called the Delhi Hill. Alright, so this is the eternal flame. Oh. I was wondering what that is. It's so peaceful. So like I feel so calm. Like the feeling is just great. And it's just so good to come up here and just, you know, have a deeper fresh air and just enjoy the view. So this is one of the places that I've always wanted to visit, and I'm finally here and I can just, you know, tell why people are just so fascinated about this place. Like everything is just the view itself. That what brings joy and happiness into this place. And that what brings a lot of people into this place. The air is different up here, which is great. I do suggest that you come up, I mean, if you do live in India, I do suggest that you make a visit up here at least once a year. That would be great. Because you don't find this anywhere in India. What happened?
He was struggling actor in 91.
Where? In Bollywood?
In Mussoorie.
In Mumbai? How come? Why? Bye. You used to act before?
Yeah,
In Bollywood, Mumbai.
Mumbai.
Oh, then what happened?
Property dealing.
Property
Dealing.
dealing.
Went into the property.
Estate agent.
Oh, real estate
Real
agent.
estate, yeah.
Oh, right. So you're still doing that? So,
Yeah.
you're still doing that now?
No. I'm just photographing.
Oh, right.
My village is
So-
here only.
Were you just a background actor or?
He was background
Background actor.
Nah, he said he struggled there, but he couldn't make it.
Yeah.
It's
Too
hard.
much struggle. He's saying that there was too much struggle back then.
नहीं उस टाइम अब देख लो नाम कितने लोग जावा ट्रेन में बैठ कर दिल्ली वहाँ उतरते होंगे स्टेशन पे कि आज एक्टर बनेंगे बना कितने एक दो हैं
एक दो
Thank you. See you.
वेलकम
Yeah, they took the 100 photos. अच्छा वो मैगी पॉइंट है.
So these people that lives down
Yeah,
here.
they live here.
Wow. So these are these houses.
They have small businesses over here.
Look at this beautiful view. We call it. We'd say this view. Yeah, view. Bahut kamal hai. Walking back to where we parked our car. So this is one thing that you'll see everywhere in India is that you'll always see rubbish around. There's rubbish there, bottles. So if you guys are doing this, gandagi mad phailao. ठीक है? नमस्ते जी. नमस्ते. ये क्या है?
दरांती
अच्छा vegetables. अच्छा oh garden. अच्छा.
अच्छा रास्ता.
You do this every day?
पैसा
बहुत बड़ा काम कर रहे
खाना खाने के लिए चाहिए
What? Easy. This is easy. Yeah.
ये आसान है आपके लिए या नहीं?
हाँ इधर करना सारा
अच्छा इधर करिए.
साफ करना हाँ साफ
अच्छा.
बहुत अच्छा काम हो रहा है.
साफ करो साफ
अच्छा.
पैसा
Good.
हम अकेले है कोई देने वाला नहीं है
बहुत बढ़िया. So she lives up here and this is what she does.
इधर काटूंगी ना
हाँ.
इधर काटूंगी
हाँ. अच्छा. ठीक है. So this is what they usually do every day is cut the grass.
क्या करूँ हमने अपना गुजारा तो करना है पेट का
Zara.
अकेली हूँ
Acha. No? She's hungry.
अच्छा
Acha. ठीक है. Now she's gonna cut something. She's gonna show it to me.
Okay.
So this is what people that lives up here in the hill usually does is. So they acha tea. So they use this to cut the grass. Oh. Acha. Yeah, we do this back home as well, but we use the big one, the big saw. बहुत बढ़िया. अच्छा ठीक है बस हाँ ठीक है. धन्यवाद बहुत अच्छी है. ठीक है ये. अच्छा ठीक है.
अच्छा जी
धन्यवाद. ठीक है बाय. Oh, this breaks my heart. Oh, such a lovely woman. So she was asking us for some money because she said that she was buglagiye, which means hungry. So we just gave her 50 rupees. But like we didn't want her to do that, but she insisted. So yeah, it's all good. So now we're heading down to where we parked our car, and then we're just gonna get something to eat. We might explore some other places around the area, but yeah. So this is a small restaurant. I'm thirsty, oi. Okay.
I can see it in your eyes. You've seen the moon and its darker side. I can feel the gravity, the forces pull between you and me. Yes, it's true, I'm falling hard for you, but I won't rush this love. I can wait even if it's hard to take.
That's pure love.
Oh, so cute.
Yeah. Wait. Yeah. कर दे बंद कर दे How's it feel?
So cute.
The next day.
So this is what we're doing today. Cool, I've never done this before. You wanna go first? With one hand? Oh, we're doing it with one hand.
इसके नीचे नीचे वो करना है बीच में नहीं आना नीचे इसके नीचे इसके नीचे लागू फिर हाथ करना
Oh, I think I got the middle.
Yes.
I got the middle! Perfect. That's good.
मैंने बताया so I told him how to do it.
Acha. But I got the middle. They sell brands?
No, like Chinese market. Copies.
Oh.
So copies.
Those fakes.
तो थर्ड कॉपी है तो
Third copy, yeah? You can tell how fake it is.
Cheap copy.
Gucci. They've got, what is this? Oh, they've got Dior. Wow.
My God.
Goodness.
ये पफर जैकेट के लिए है
Maroon, white.
They come in all different colors, right? Track pants. That's a really good brand. Not bad. For this one, you can easily tell that it's not genuine.
वाले बड़े लेगी ये बार पैर कर देगी हाँ बड़े लेगी
Oh, they've got North Face.
ओ बनाना
You want juice? Orange juice?
No, I'm alright.
बैठिए अंदर
Mango, can we get mango?
अरे ऐसा करिए एक मेरा तो मैंगो का बना दिए
They have all the Jordans. Balenciaga, Yeezys.
अगर लेने लायक है
I think I can tell. I can tell that it's not. Yeah, it's not genuine. Yeah. I mean, it's good for those people who can't afford, you know, the authentic ones. I just spot something I really like. I really like the Ferrari logo. Jones. They've got everything. Wow.
चल ऊपर ही है भाई ऊपर ही है let's go upstairs
Welcome to the fake market.
एक प्रोफेशनल है गैंगस्टर आया हमारे पास एक
Right now we're still in Dehradun exploring.
खत्म हो गया
तो मैं कह रहा हूँ कि जैसे कैमरे में जो लोग हैं
हाँ
तो मतलब खुल नहीं पाते मतलब जो हमारा जो
Having our last meal before we head off back home. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you like it.